as you see, my dream, my dream is to become a soldier. I remember when I finished my secondary school, I want to become a soldier, but my family refused me to. They told me to first of all to study the university, but my dream I to become a soldier. Then if they was not refused, I'm already a soldier now. As you see, the first my dream is a soldier. The second one, as you see, the electronic tools. Even now, I'm a student in ULCS College of Science and Technology. I'm trying to trade these tools. These tools, the tool which already work before. After my study, I buy it and then I sold it, but because of inefficient. The third one is the investment in the business of bar restaurant or hotel. For help of God, I want to become the owner of any hotel or any bar restaurant, as you see. This illustration shows in summary my dream. The first is to become a soldier. Then after being a soldier, I think I get money. Then after getting money, I will invest in electronic tools. Then after investing in electronic tools, I will invest in the bar restaurant or hotel. Shortly, after becoming a soldier, I will be in investment. Then after this is my family. All of my family. I love my family. My family depends when I become a soldier. My family will depend on the money which I will get in each month or each year, on each mission. I don't know. Then when I invest in electronic tools, my family also will also depend on that money. Then after when I invest in barriers, my family also depends on that.